He said.
I'm gonna record our little game. Hey, whose full juice is that? I'm about to.
That's not white boy.
Who's full juice?
Wait, which one? This one? This is white boy.
The one that left.
No, it's this one right here. Yeah. Wasn't it? That's what they said.
Yeah, we got. Ain't no claiming it, so.
Yeah.
Did you take a drink?
Yeah. Did I take a drink?
Drink again.
Yeah, you.
Y'all cheating.
Nah, you ain't playing. You gotta play.
Well, fuck you,
Get a beer. Get a beer. Get a beer. You can try.
Hey, you made me drink it. It was my turn.
You give it up when you miss.
Oh,
This nigga don't know how to play quarters.
Now I learned. Now I know. You missed. Chance it.
Hold up.
Chance it.
No, nigga.
I left my DM.
Wait this. Alright, I don't chance it. No.
Frank is outside.
You chance it.
Right here, right
Drink.
I don't chance it.
It's over here.
You trying to be a quarter dog?
You gonna play?
No, because I got it.
I don't know. Close.
I left mine in Frankie's car.
Just kidding. Nice. Who's outside? You should record him outside. We gonna play?
Yeah.
No, you gotta drink, remember?
You didn't make it, bitch.
But you chanced it and you didn't drink.
I just took my drink.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You want me to record the damn video? Show you?
I'm not. Come on.
Damn, I'm trying to make me drink and shit.
Don't chance it. Don't slide the cord because you scratched the table.
You see how fucked this table already is?
So?
How you
gotta respect his house.
Nah, this nigga's playing. Hey, fool, scoot over, fool. Oh, sweat. Scoot over. Huh? Sit down. Fool's playing. Oh. He is. Yeah. You just standing there and you ain't doing nothing. What? Oh, there.
You gotta make it in here, and if you chance it and you don't make it, you drink. But if you do chance it, you make it.
Why did I play with that? It's hard. I don't even know.
Well, don't really play.
You go like this.
Like two people out here playing
like
games.
this.
We're gonna play.
Y'all play Waterfalls?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, fools. I don't know what the fuck y'all playing. I ain't gonna know how.
I made it.
Hey, what's my?
I made it. You gotta
I made it.
You gotta drink. I made it.
Alright, I can do that right here. Let me see.
How do you do the numbers?
Oh, this is yours.
Ah, that's not good.
You know Jessica,
There
right?
goes. I think.
Yeah. Hold on.
Jessica what?
Oh shit.
Frankie, dog.
Griffin, I think it's Griffin. Because I always say she's Peter Griffin. For real, I always call her.
Hey, are y'all playing?
No.
Are y'all playing?
I'm playing. It's my turn?
No, I'm trying to get some girls right now.
This is my
Am I
turn.
No, I'm not
playing?
paying attention. That's
I
why.
go to password.
Yeah.
I'll tell you my
Shit,
password.
click
it. And then just click it.
Oh,
shit.
Hey,
Alright.
3.
Y'all see a blood.
Are you playing, dog?
Hey,
Yeah.
say
Alright, drink.
3.
Jose's not playing?
C.
Nigga, you a bitch.
I know this nigga.
Come with
1.
you. Come with you.
D. Here, drink this.
My
and drink.
turn?
Man, where's my keys at?
Don't
My turn.
Say.
What?
My turn?
What?
Is it my turn?
Hey, fool, you got my keys?
No shit. Oh, you're gonna play Waterfalls?
I locked it.
Hey, you playing Waterfalls? Come on.
Alright.
Is it my turn?
Hey, here's your bottle, fool. I gave him. Yo, yeah.
Pick 3 1 person.
Who? Okay, wait. Who?
Okay, one.
I'm playing.
No, come on. Why you gonna mess with me?
What?
I'm not the one choosing. She is.
Yeah, look at all this cooking.
Where's the
Okay. I know that do that to me.
Hey, do I drink?
No, you don't.
What's like those, the girls that from Christmas, they're like from New Mexico and other
This
different
nigga's so weird.
No, take your phone.
Alright, hey, give him some MD.
Sorry.
Hey, for your blocking the camera's view. Hey, see if you can see anything on the screen.
Hey, what? I see everything, fool.
Everything, dog?
Yeah, I see you. So big ass head.
718. 718. Ain't that
I was
big.
talking about like half a camera.
Alright, hey, attention, dog.
What?
That's my hat size.
Why you talking to me for?
It's because our heads the same size.
You want it?
That was Johnny's Jagger hat because that nigga's all fucked up. He's all passed out.
Alright, beer.
Cheer.
What the fucking
I thought it was going there.
Oh.
It was categories anyway.
Oh, never mind.
Oh, let it start over. Hey, whenever that shit happens, we go this way.
Alright, categories.
Counterclockwise.
Counterclockwise.
Go.
Okay.
Hold on, let me think of something.
No, wait, you just went.
I heard him about to play it.
I thought we were still doing the categories.
She messed up.
Oh, yeah.
I hurt my feelings, bro.
Why do I have this in my hand? What the fuck? I thought I had that.
No, it's just
You
your
wanna
card.
drink this?
That's the whole point. Still thinking
You wanna drink this?
Do you have any
Oh, I'll drink this.
Every time I drink, y'all gotta drink.
Hey, Mark, who's this?
Mine.
Yeah, look at it.
Who's this?
That's Johnny's. I figured I had.
Oh, this one?
Oh my god.
Mixing up the drinks and shit.
Hold on, grab that.
Is this recorded?
Yeah, it's recording.
What's up?
Mark's over there.
I'm behind the camera.
Mark is behind you, dog.
He's right here.
Hey.
Make sure everyone's in the picture, dog.
Yeah.
Mark,
I just put him in the middle so that way see him.
I already did. I made a rule.
Oh yeah, go. Oh,
Hey, what we gotta do?
Every time you think we gotta drink.
Four.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Hey, let me say AD.
Oh, you spilled down the cards. Who did? You.
Hey, is there a towel anywhere? Hey, let me see your shorts real quick so I can wipe this shit down.
Let me see your shirt real quick.
Alright, hold on.
Hey, Mark, give me a cup. Hold on, who's MD that?
Drink.
Hey, Mark.
Hey, you forgot the towel, fool. What's up? Look at him playing nobody. Look at him playing nobody. Aw, she was made it. Hold on, check it out. You gotta have that angle. Right here. It's not balling, so it's bouncing.
Let me see.
What are you trying to do? That's a little ass like make it.
I know you need a big old one.
Yeah, but that's more of a challenge though.
That's a hard ass challenge.
Fuck, man.
Yeah, you suck. Oh, you already cleaned it? Alright.
Whatever. I'm not doing it no more.
Alright, whose turn is it? Cool card.
I haven't pulled a card. I'll go. The J.
Alright, categories. Say like colors, shoes, clothes brands, cars, anything. Like let's say you said cars. I say Jaguar, Benz.
What if I say blue?
Let's say colors. Oh wait, actually, yeah, he did say blue.
Alright, blue. Go.
You said blue?
Blue.
Baby blue.
Blue.
Baby blue.
Blue.
Baby blue. Say type of blue. Say type of blue.
Drink. That's not a blue.
Yeah, drink. He said blue.
Oh,
That
you're
was
being
category.
nosy.
Hey, I'm all confused over here. Like,
I'm looking at Mark's
He said blue. Categories are blue. Baby blue, sky blue, ocean blue, forest blue.
There's midnight blue.
Chair blue.
Sky blue.
Red blue.
No, there's midnight blue. Sky.
Anyways, it's my turn. Drink, Sandra. Hello?
No, I was trying to lock it.
What's up? Drink. Hey, you wanna go scoop up my sister?
pause for real quick.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, alright. Where you at, Junior?
I can't drive.
Alright then. But yeah, you can come now. Alright, bye.
I like your sister.
You keep it?
No. But every time I